What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Today I wanted to share with y'all a case I picked up by ESR off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. Paid for this case with my own money just to check it out. I thought it had a lot of good stuff going on that I wanted to point out to you guys. So what this is the hybrid case. Classic series designed for MagSafe. So you see we got the MagSafe magnet on the back, and it says strong magnetic lock, military grade protection. So this is supposed to be a transparent case, a frosted case with black. Take a look on the back, and as you can see, strong 1500G magnetic lock, raised screen and camera protection, scratch resistant acrylic back. So we're gonna get it out like so and take a look at it. So become a super user, you can get an upgraded 24-month warranty. That's dope. You always want to buy products from companies that warranty that stuff. That means that they believe in that stuff. You can check out this QR code here. But let's go ahead and get straight to it. So here's the case, and there's a lot done right on this case. That's why I picked it up. I like this TPU a lot. First and foremost, we got the frosted back, and this back has a coating on it and a texture where it doesn't pick up any fingerprints. Anybody know about transparent or clear cases? They pick up a lot of fingerprints. This case is not doing that, does not do that at all. So it looks pretty clean all the time. And another thing that they did with stylizing the back is they got individual cutouts for each camera lens. So that way, if you have a color of a device that kind of doesn't go with the case, it's not gonna be protruding through the camera area, because normally a lot of cases, this will be just a big cutout, and I don't like that. I really like how they did this. And it's got a lot of raised up protection. You can see they even labeled it camera guard. So definitely some nice camera protection, but a lot of style going on right here. You take a look at the top, and you see in each corner, and remember the corner is an area where a lot of times you drop your device, it hits on the edge, it hits on the corner, the top. You'll have like a crack coming from the corner of your screen. So you can see we got some drop absorption, some reinforced drop absorption right in each corner. Same reinforced drop absorption even on the bottom. Cutouts for your dual mics on the top. On the bottom, you got a nice big cutout for your Type-C, your speaker, and a sliding board to get right to your S Pen. We look inside the case. It's got some branding, halo lock, magnetic case. So this is supposed to be a really strong MagSafe. We're gonna check that. ESR Tech Made Easy, just some nice branding. On this side, you got a nice protruding button press, no symbols, but they're all slits for a natural button press, and they are protruding buttons so you can find them easily. And we also have some ESR branding on the side. And on this side, what we have is just a cutout for a lanyard. So if you want to apply a lanyard to this, you could definitely do that. Now this case is mainly polycarbonate, but the polycarbonate on the side, it does have a soft touch to it. Feels good in the hand. It's not abusive or anything that's hard to hold. You definitely want that in the case for the S24 Ultra because it's a behemoth and tasks your hand already enough. So this is what my S24 Ultra looks like in the case. As you can see, like I said, nice and protected cameras, just a good look on the back. The frost is, I think, better than the clear. I think when you go clear, you should go frost. Look, not picking up any fingerprints. Only if your fingers are like really wet or moist or something will it pick something up. But I mean, just on a regular, it's not a crazy fingerprint magnet. Aesthetically, from the back, this case looked really good. How they cleaned up the camera area. Everything is uniform. I like that a lot. You got a nice, easy button press because of the slits in the buttons, and the buttons are easy to find on the side because they actually protrude enough. And on the front, you got a raised lip all the way around the case. You're gonna always want a case with a raised lip, just in case you drop your device on a flat surface. You want the case to actually take the impact before your display does. It'll save you from a crack or shattered display. So we're gonna do a quick test of the MagSafe strength. I'm just gonna use the battery pack, stick it to the device, and we're gonna see how strong the MagSafe is. MagSafe magnet is really strong, guys. I got a MagSafe battery pack just stuck to the device, and I'm not holding the device, I'm just holding the battery pack, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, it's locked in. So MagSafe is definitely doing its job. But this is the hybrid case from ESR for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'll put a link down in the description. This is really a dope case. This is something I seen and really wanted to pick up and point out a couple things that I like about certain cases that work well with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Strong MagSafe, clean camera cutouts, raised lip, and a frosted back that does not pick up any fingerprints. This case is golded already. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Shout out to y'all. If y'all not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.